Hey, it's Mike. I'd like to talk about Caladrius Biosciences. This stock trades on the Nasdaq on symbol CLBS. This stock was up a little over 4.5% on Friday, up to $2.29. It did move up a little more after hours to $2.31. Look over the past 5 days, the stock did have a big pop, followed by a little bit of a drop here. So basically, what happened was this stock announced a direct offering at $2.45. That caused the stock to drop from a level of about 273 down to 233. Then it continued falling, and now it's beginning to move back up. So I do think the direct offering, they raised about $65 million, which is really excellent for a company with a market cap of $133 million. So they're sitting on a lot of cash. That's actually a really nice positive for the long-term prospects of this pharmaceutical company. Now, when you look at the price action, I've always talked about companies that can break through $1 a share and get up to, or break through $2 a share, get up through $2, can make a definite run at $5 a share. So the price action on here is really, really weird. You usually don't see a stock that kind of just has a big spike and then a big drop and then drops a little more and then begins to move back up. So you do want to wait for this stock to sort of calm down a bit, and it needs to get up through 244, 273, and 289. So it's got some work to do before it can really confidently move higher towards $5 a share. However, you should keep this stock on your radar, because I do think if this stock breaks through 273, I'm going to go ahead and take a nibble on it, because I don't think this resistance area is going to be as strong. But I do think if it could just break higher up into the high $2 levels, the 260, 270, it should be able to make a nice run towards $5 a share. That's because a lot of these pharmaceutical companies are doing really well this year. It's probably one of the best performing sectors out there. And I definitely think that looking at the money that they raised through the direct offering and the price action, that Caladrius can definitely make a run at $5 a share before the end of the year. So the company is involved in developing regenerative therapies that can reverse chronic disease. You go ahead and look at the product candidates. They do have a number of products here. You can see here regenerative medicine, advanced therapy. This one's in phase 3. Here's one in a phase 2A. Anytime you see anything in a pipeline at phase 3, that's a really good sign and a possibility that the stocks can move a lot higher, because a lot of people who are trying to invest in these small pharma stocks, they want to look at any products that are in phase 3, because that gives it a pretty good chance that it's going to move higher towards being approved by the FDA, and that usually causes a stock to double and triple and move even higher, practically overnight. So here you go. You can take a look at the pipeline here. Everything is, let's see here, complete enrollment. So yeah, it looks like they've got a lot of good products in sort of late stage development here. But like I said, wait for the stock to see if it could pass up through 270. I think the market's going to still remain pretty strong, like the overall stock market. I think March may be a little bit of a challenge, except for the energy sector. I think the energy sector will do well, but historically, April is usually a strong month for equity. So we may see Caladrius make a big run in April. So right now, just keep the stock on your radar, see if it could just break a little higher before you take a nibble on it. Okay, so that concludes this video. Once again, Caladrius Biosciences trades on the Nasdaq on symbol CLBS. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to leave a like and go ahead and subscribe and turn on notifications. I do multiple daily updates on stocks, options, and stock trading strategies. Thanks a lot. Bye.